You know what's crazy? Most people don't actually have a tomato problem. They have a growth speed problem. Because tell me why your tomatoes are just there, not dying, not thriving, just existing like they're paying rent in your garden. Meanwhile, someone else plants theirs, and boom, thick stems, dark green leaves, fruits coming in like it's a competition. Same plant, same sun, same soil. So what's the difference? It's not luck, it's not expensive fertilizer, and it's definitely not some secret farm you don't know about. It's the small cheap things they're using that you're overlooking. And today, I'm about to show you 10 Dollar Tree hacks that quietly turn slow tomatoes into fast-growing fruit-loaded machines. Some of these you've seen before, but I promise you've never used them like this. And one of them, I almost didn't share because once you start using it, your tomatoes won't grow the same again. So don't skip this video. Stay till the end because the last hack ties everything together. And that's where the real magic happens. Hey, welcome back to Gardens Heaven. Or welcome if this is your first time here. This is the place where we grow smarter, not more expensive, where your garden starts looking like a dream without draining your wallet. If that sounds like your kind of space, go ahead and tap that subscribe button, and give this video a like so more growers like you can find it too. Now let's get into it, because your tomatoes are about to level up. Hack 1. The Red Cup Root Booster Trick. Most people plant their tomatoes straight into a big pot and just hope for the best, but that's actually where slow growth begins. Tomatoes don't grow fast because of what you see above the soil. They grow fast because of what's happening underneath. When roots are cramped, stressed, or developing blindly, the plant slows everything down. That's why this simple Dollar Tree cup trick changes the game. By planting your tomato in a clear plastic cup with small drainage holes, then placing it inside another cup, you create a controlled environment where you can actually monitor root development in real time instead of guessing. The moment you can see the roots pressing against the sides of the cup, circling and filling the space, you know your plant is ready for the next step. No delays, no stunted growth, no transplant shock from waiting too long. This alone speeds up your tomato growth because the plant never enters that pause and recover phase that most beginners don't even realize is happening. Instead, your plant moves from one growth stage to the next smoothly, keeping that momentum going. It's like giving your tomato a clear roadmap instead of leaving it confused underground. Now here's where it becomes powerful. When it's time to transplant, don't just move it as it is. Bury part of the stem deeper into the soil. Tomatoes have this unique ability to grow new roots along their buried stems, which means you're instantly multiplying the root system without spending anything extra. More roots means better nutrient absorption, stronger structure, and faster overall growth. What looked like a basic cup from Dollar Tree just turned into a growth accelerator, and most people completely overlook it because it seems too simple to matter. Hack 2. The Dollar Tree Spray Bottle Foliar Boost. One of the biggest reasons tomatoes grow slowly is because people rely only on root feeding. They water the soil, wait for nutrients to travel through the roots, and hope the plant responds quickly. But tomatoes are actually capable of absorbing nutrients through their leaves as well. And this is where most gardeners miss a major shortcut. Instead of waiting for everything to pass through the soil system, you can deliver small amounts of nutrients directly to the plant's surface, speeding up how fast it responds to care. This is where a simple Dollar Tree spray bottle becomes a powerful tool. Fill it with clean water and mix in a light plant feed like your banana peel water from Hack 1, or any gentle organic nutrient solution. Then during early morning or late evening, when the sun is not harsh, lightly mist the leaves of your tomato plant. You're not soaking it, you're just giving it a fine mist so the leaves can absorb the moisture and nutrients gradually without stress or burning. What makes this method powerful is the speed of response. Instead of waiting days for soil nutrients to take effect, your plant begins to react faster through its leaf system. You'll notice leaves looking fresher, stems becoming more active, and overall growth feeling more awake. It doesn't replace root feeding, it works alongside it, creating a double feeding system that keeps your tomato plant consistently energized and moving without delays. Hack 3. The Dollar Tree Stakes Plant String Upward Control Trick. Grow tall, not weak. Most people let their tomato plants grow however they want, and that's where the problem starts. The plant begins to spread sideways, stems get weak, leaves start touching the soil, and before you know it, growth slows down and diseases start creeping in. What many gardeners don't realize is that tomatoes don't just need space, they need direction. If you don't guide them early, they waste energy growing in messy directions instead of focusing on strong, fast upward growth. This is where Dollar Tree wooden sticks, or even simple garden stakes, become a game changer. Place a stake next to your tomato plant early, while it is still young, and gently tie the stem using soft string or even strips of cloth. The goal is not to choke the plant, but to guide it upward. You're basically teaching the plant where to grow instead of letting it guess. When a tomato plant grows vertically, it improves air circulation, gets better sunlight exposure, and uses its energy more efficiently. And here's the part that really speeds things up. When the plant is trained upward from early stage, it stops wasting energy on unnecessary side branches and starts focusing on strong vertical growth and fruit development. Instead of becoming bushy and confused, it becomes structured and productive. You'll notice the stems becoming thicker, leaves looking healthier, and overall growth looking more organized and aggressive. This simple Dollar Tree support system quietly turns a messy plant into a focused grower that produces faster and stronger tomatoes. Hack 4. The eggshell calcium crush and release trick. Strong stems, faster growth. One thing most people don't realize is that tomatoes are heavy feeders when it comes to calcium. Without enough calcium, the plant struggles silently, stems become weak, leaves curl in strange ways, and fruit development slows down even when everything else looks fine. Many gardeners keep adding water and fertilizer, but they completely ignore the fact that the plant's structure itself is not strong enough to support fast growth. Now here's the Dollar Tree inspired mindset behind this hack. Use what you already have, but use it correctly. Instead of throwing eggshells into the soil whole and hoping they break down slowly, crush them into very fine pieces. The smaller the particles, the faster they release calcium into the soil. You can even place them inside a small Dollar Tree storage bag or container and crush them properly before applying. This ensures your tomato plant actually benefits from them in a shorter time frame instead of waiting weeks or months. Once applied around the base of your plant and lightly mixed into the topsoil, the calcium begins to strengthen the cell walls of your tomato plant. This leads to sturdier stems, improved nutrient transport, and a plant that can physically support faster growth without collapsing under its own weight. And here's the hidden effect most people miss. When the plant feels structurally strong, it naturally pushes more energy into upward growth and fruit production instead of constantly trying to repair itself. Hack 5. The Dollar Tree coffee ground growth wake-up trick. Soil energy booster. Most tomato plants don't grow slow because they're weak. They grow slow because their soil is tired. When soil has no energy, the plant just sits there surviving instead of actively growing. That's why you'll see some tomatoes looking alive but not really moving forward. It's like they're awake but not motivated. And that's where this Dollar Tree hack comes in. Instead of letting used coffee grounds go to waste, you can turn them into a gentle soil booster. If you can get cheap coffee packets or leftover grounds, dry them slightly and sprinkle a small amount around the base of your tomato plant. Then lightly mix it into the top layer of soil. You don't need a lot. The goal is not to overload the plant, but to slowly wake up the soil so it becomes more active and nutrient-friendly. What makes this powerful is how it changes the soil environment over time. Coffee grounds help improve soil texture and encourage beneficial microbial activity, which makes it easier for the tomato roots to absorb nutrients. When the soil becomes more alive, the plant responds almost immediately, with more consistent growth, healthier leaves, and stronger root activity. It's like switching the soil from low power mode to active mode, and your tomato plant starts growing with more confidence and speed. Quick pause, because I need you to be honest with me right now. Out of the 5 hacks we've covered so far, which one are you actually going to try first? Is it the root control trick, the spray bottle feeding, or that coffee ground soil wake up? Drop it in the comments right now, I'm reading them. And listen, if you're enjoying this video and it's already making you see gardening differently, don't just watch quietly and disappear. Tap that like button so YouTube knows this is useful content, and more gardeners like you can find it. And if you're new here and you're thinking this is actually different from what I usually see, then hit subscribe to Gardens Heaven, because we don't just grow plants here, we learn how to grow them smarter, faster, and cheaper. Now stay with me, because the next hacks are where things get really interesting. We're moving from soil tricks into the kind of techniques that actually control how your tomatoes produce fruit. Let's continue. Hack 6. The Dollar Tree plastic mulch hack. Heat trap growth booster. Most people water their tomatoes and think that's enough, but they forget something very important: soil temperature. Tomatoes don't just need water and nutrients, they need warm, stable soil to grow fast. If the soil keeps drying out too quickly or getting cold at night, the plant slows down without you even realizing it. It looks like it's fine above the soil, but underneath it's struggling to stay active. Now here's the Dollar Tree trick. Instead of buying expensive mulch, you can use simple black plastic bags or cheap trash bags from Dollar Tree. Cut them open and lay them around the base of your tomato plant, making sure you leave space around the stem. This acts like a heat trap, locking in warmth and moisture while reducing how fast water evaporates from the soil. It also blocks weeds, so your plant isn't competing for nutrients. What this does for growth is powerful. Warmer soil keeps the roots active, and active roots mean faster nutrient uptake. Instead of your plant going into slow mode during temperature changes, it stays consistent and focused on growth. You'll notice the soil staying moist longer, fewer weeds popping up, and your tomato plant maintaining steady aggressive growth even when conditions aren't perfect. Hack 7. The Dollar Tree Epsom Salt Green Explosion Trick. Leaf Power Boost. A lot of people think yellow leaves on tomatoes means water problem or sun problem, but most times it's actually a magnesium shortage. And when tomatoes are low on magnesium, they can't properly produce chlorophyll, which is what gives leaves that deep green color and helps the plant turn sunlight into real growth energy. So the plant just looks tired, even when you're doing everything else right. Now here's the Dollar Tree approach. Pick up simple Epsom salt from Dollar Tree or any nearby store and dissolve a small amount in water. Then apply it lightly around the base of your tomato plant, or use it as a very mild foliar spray. The key here is balance. You don't want to overload the plant, just give it a gentle magnesium boost that it can quickly absorb and use. Once the plant starts getting that magnesium, the difference shows fast. Leaves become greener, thicker and more active in sunlight absorption. And when leaves are working better, the whole plant speeds up because it's producing more energy internally. That means stronger stems, faster growth, and a plant that doesn't just survive but actually pushes forward aggressively. It's like giving your tomato a natural energy recharge from the inside out. Hack 9. The Dollar Tree Egg Carton Seed Multiplication Starter Trick. Stronger starts, faster finish. Most people underestimate how important the very beginning of a tomato plant's life is. If the early stage is weak, everything that comes after will always struggle to catch up. Thin seedlings, weak roots, and uneven sprouting all lead to slow growth later on, even if you start adding fertilizer. The truth is, fast tomatoes don't start in the garden. They start at the seed stage. Now here's the Dollar Tree advantage. Instead of planting seeds randomly in open soil or overcrowded pots, use a simple egg carton as a structured starter tray. Fill each section with light soil, plant one seed per space, and keep them in a warm, stable environment. This gives each seed its own controlled space to develop without competition, which is something most beginners ignore completely. What happens next is where the speed comes in. Because each seed has proper space, airflow, and moisture control, they germinate more evenly and develop stronger root systems right from the start. When you later transplant them, they are already structured, stable, and stress-resistant. That means zero delay in growth recovery. Instead of pausing to adjust, the plant continues growing immediately, which sets the foundation for a faster, more productive tomato cycle overall. Hack 9. The Dollar Tree Egg Carton Seed Multiplication Starter Trick. Stronger starts, faster finish. Most people underestimate how important the very beginning of a tomato plant's life is. If the early stage is weak, everything that comes after will always struggle to catch up. Thin seedlings, weak roots, and uneven sprouting all lead to slow growth later on, even if you start adding fertilizer. The truth is, fast tomatoes don't start in the garden. They start at the seed stage. Now here's the Dollar Tree advantage. Instead of planting seeds randomly in open soil or overcrowded pots, use a simple egg carton as a structured starter tray. Fill each section with light soil, plant one seed per space, and keep them in a warm, stable environment. This gives each seed its own controlled space to develop without competition, which is something most beginners ignore completely. What happens next is where the speed comes in. Because each seed has proper space, airflow, and moisture control, they germinate more evenly and develop stronger root systems right from the start. When you later transplant them, they are already structured, stable, and stress-resistant. That means zero delay in growth recovery. Instead of pausing to adjust, the plant continues growing immediately, which sets the foundation for a faster, more productive tomato cycle overall. Hack 10. The Dollar Tree Sun Mirror Reflection Trick. Light Intensity Booster for Faster Fruiting. Most people think tomatoes just need sunlight, but what they don't realize is that it's not just about getting light, it's about how much light actually hits the plant evenly. In many home gardens, one side of the plant gets strong sunlight while the other side stays weak and shaded. This uneven light slows down photosynthesis, which directly slows down growth and delays fruit production without you even noticing it. Now here's the Dollar Tree trick that changes that. Grab something simple and reflective like aluminum foil, or a cheap reflective surface from Dollar Tree. Place it strategically near your tomato plant, so it bounces sunlight back onto the shaded parts of the plant. You're not adding more sun. You're maximizing the sun you already have. That small adjustment increases overall light exposure without costing anything extra. The result is surprisingly powerful. The plant begins to photosynthesize more efficiently because more leaves are actively receiving light at the same time. This leads to faster energy production, quicker stem development, and earlier fruiting compared to plants that only rely on direct sunlight. Over time, your tomato plant grows more evenly, looks fuller, and produces fruit faster because no part of it is left inactive due to lack of light. And just like that, you now have 10 Dollar Tree hacks that completely change how tomatoes grow. Not theory, not guesswork, but simple low-cost actions that quietly push your plants into faster growth, stronger roots, healthier leaves, and earlier fruiting. Now here's the truth most people miss. Fast-growing tomatoes are never about one big secret. It's about small consistent advantages stacked together. You don't need expensive fertilizers. You don't need complicated farm setups. You just need to understand how to guide the plant instead of forcing it. So let me ask you again, which of these hacks are you starting with first? Because the moment you start applying even 2 or 3 of them together, you'll begin to see your garden behave completely differently. If this video helped you, don't just leave quietly. Hit that like button, subscribe to Gardens Heaven, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next set of gardening tricks that make growing feel easier than ever. And drop a comment telling me what you want next. Vegetables, fruits, or even indoor plants. Because we're just getting started. Until next time, keep growing smarter, not harder.